CBSE Science, Class 10, Chapter 5, Periodic Classification of Elements.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
Compare and contrast the arrangement of elements in Mendeleev's period table and the modern periodic table. The main points of distinction between Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table are given below. Mendeleev's periodic table 1. It regards the atomic masses of the elements as the basis of classification. Modern periodic table 1. It regards the atomic number of the elements as the basis of classification. Mendeleev's periodic table 2. No separate positions or slots have been allotted to the isotopes of an element since they have different atomic masses. Modern periodic table 2. There is no need for separate slots for the isotopes since they have the same atomic numbers. Mendeleev's periodic table 3. No justification is made for placing hydrogen in group 1A along with alkali metals. Modern periodic table 3. Justification has been made for placing hydrogen along with alkali metals in group 1 since both hydrogen and alkali metals have one valence electron. Mendeleev's periodic table 4. Except for the elements in group 8, the remaining groups have been divided with subgroups A and B. Modern periodic table 4. There are no subgroups and all groups are independent in nature. Mendeleev's periodic table 5. Position of certain elements based on their atomic masses are misfits. For example, the element cobalt, atomic mass equals 58.9, has been placed ahead of nickel, atomic mass equals 58.7. Modern periodic table 5. Modern periodic table is free from such anomalies. The element cobalt is placed before nickel since its atomic number 28, which is more than that of cobalt 27. Mendeleev's periodic table 6. Electronic configurations and properties of the elements cannot be predicted from their positions in the table. Modern periodic table 6. Both electronic configurations and certain properties of the elements can be predicted from their positions in the periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table 7. It is not very systematic and is difficult to remember. Modern periodic table 7. It is quite systematic and is easy to remember. I hope these video solutions for Class 10 Science, Chapter 5, Periodic Classification of Elements, will help the students. In case there is a necessity to add more questions, I will add next videos. If students have any query regarding these video solutions for Class 10 Science, drop a comment in my email and I will get back to you at the earliest. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video.